With AI, we can do fantastic things within a few clicks, like make consistent AI characters from you, make incredible scenes that include you, and make cool cartoon characters from you. Let's see how. First, you need to upload photos of yours or someone else that you want to generate images with consistently. To do that, click here, the plus button, and select the upload file option. Then you can choose photos to upload. I'm uploading 10 photos of a model. If you do not have many images, it's okay to go with 1 or 2. But if you upload 5 to 10 images, the results are more accurate. We have perfectly uploaded our photos. Now let's introduce our character to Midjourney. To do that, type -prefer option set. And then give a name to your character in the option field. I type Emma as my character name. After that, click here and select the value option. Now go to your uploaded photos, copy the links of those photos one by one, and paste them into value field like this. And remember, after pasting the links of a photo, it should be end in an extension like .png, .gif or .jpg. If not, check where that extension and delete the things after that extension like this. Paste the links to value field of every image uploaded. After the pasting, hit enter. Now the Midjourney bot knows that it should use this character to generate the image after prompting Emma. Let's see how to prompt. As usual, type -imagine and your prompt. And after the prompt, type -- the name you give to your character. So I'm typing --Emma. Then generate. Now you can see the created images are generated using the exact character we tell Midjourney bot. Let's try another prompt. Type the prompt as usual, and at the end of the prompt type -- the name you give to your character. And I add another parameter as well. If you have no idea what those are, I suggest you see my other videos about Midjourney. Let's generate. It's pretty awesome. And if you think those images are too close up of character, you can expand those. Upscale the image you want to expand, and then using those pan buttons and zoom buttons, you can expand your image like this easily. Now let's try to make some sceneries with this method. I type a prompt, a realistic photo of a pretty warrior girl holding a sword with confidence and staring at the camera. And add --Emma to end of the prompt. And generate. You can see the generated images are generated with Emma, but the scenery I mentioned in the prompt has not been correctly generated. So how do we correct this? Let me tell you. Generate image using the same prompt we used before, but without --Emma parameter. Then upscale the image you want. I'm upscaling the first image. Now, click the Vary Region button. Then, select the lasso tool and put a selection to the face of the girl in an image. And then type --Emma at the end of the prompt here. Click Generate. Now the third and fourth image are as we need them. This method works properly most of the time. If not, you can try multiple times for better results. Now let's see how to create a cool, consistent cartoon character from you. First, type a prompt describing what kind of cartoon character you want. And then after the prompt, type Pixar and dash dash the name you gave to your character before. Then hit enter. Now you can see cartoon characters are made exactly like Emma. Now let's introduce our cartoon version of Emma to Midjourney. Upscale those 4 images like this. Then type the same command that we used before. Dash prefer option set. And then give a name to your cartoon character in the option field. I type Emma Pixar. And then set values the same way we did before. Copy the upscaled image links one by one and paste those in the value field like this. Then hit enter. Now let's generate some image using Emma's cartoon version. Type the prompt and add dash dash Emma Pixar at the end of it. Then hit enter. Wow, that's so cool! You can see that by using this method, we can generate image with consistent characters. Using different prompt style with your character can create fantastic artwork like this. If you want to know more about prompting styles and more cool tips and tricks, I suggest you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.